All right, y'all, we jumping right into it. I got my hair split it into two sections. The part does not have to be perfect. Once you see my part, you will see that it is not perfect at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the front up so I can work on the back. All right, I got that up. Now I'm gonna go towards the back. It's kind of tangled, so I'm gonna lightly finger detangle, but not too much. I'm gonna go in with some water to add some moisture. Go ahead and spray that real good and get it worked in. I'm using a lot of water here. My hair was really dry. And I'm just taking my time to really work that in. I went ahead and speeded it up. And then once I got the water worked in, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with my Cornrows Curly Butter. And I'm taking my time to really work that in. And once I got that worked in, I'm gonna go ahead and just begin to twist it into a bun. And I want to make sure everything's nice and moisturized. So I'm gently twisting it like that, and I'm gonna twist it around in a circle in a bun. Go ahead and get that secure. And then I'm gonna just put a head tie on it. And then we're done for the back. Now we're gonna go to the front. Same thing, go ahead and, put some moisture back into that hair because it was dry. I'm just really saturating it, especially the edges. You wanna make sure your edges are nice and moisturized for this style. Once I got that water worked in, I'm using my Cornrows Naturals brown butter melt, and I'm gonna really go ahead and work that into my edges. That's gonna be my styler for this hairstyle. And I took my time to get my edges decent. Once I got that worked in, I'm gonna begin twisting it. Just a single twist. If you're fancy, you could do a 2-strand twist, but I'm not that fancy. And I'm just gently twisting it, making sure I keep a good grip on my edges. Because this part of the hair really makes the hairstyle. If you don't like the way it's looking, you can always stop and start over again. I usually get this in one take. And I twist it all the way to the end. Making sure I keep it nice and tight. And then I go around my bun. Just wrap it around my bun. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pin that up with some hairpins. And I'm gonna go back to these edges, just, rubbing them in place, add more product if I need to. And start with my fingers, and I went in with a brush. I don't have a small edge brush, but if you had a small, a tiny toothbrush or whatever, that would work. But I just went in with a regular brush and gently brushed it, just to make it neater. And this is the finished look. It's pretty nice and simple and elegant. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You didn't have to detangle. You can do this on the days you don't really want to do your hair, or if you want to push out that wash day. It really works. That's it from the back. If you're good at parting your hair, you could probably do a straight part. It would probably look better, but I'm fine with the way this turned out. It gave me what I needed, and this is the hair from the back. That's my quick natural hair tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know if you'll try it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.